Welcome students, this is your Fine Arts Painting Theory class. We are doing the painting of Deccan School. In our previous videos, we have done two paintings from Deccan School. Those are Ragini Pathamsika from Ahmednagar School, Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia and Amir Khusro from Hyderabad School. Our last painting from Deccan School is Chand Bibi playing polo. Chand Bibi playing polo is from Golconda Sub School. The artist of this painting is unknown and the time period is approximate 1750 AD. This painting is made with the technique of tempera in watercolor on paper. Now we can see this painting in National Museum, New Delhi. Now the subject matter. This is a vertical painting. This painting depicts the interest of royal women of that time in the field of sports. The subject of this painting is entertainment, as the title shows. Now the description part. Concentrate on the painting. In the painting, Chand Bibi and three other female players have been shown playing polo in royal dresses. These all are sitting on different colored horses, that is red, yellow, blue and white. Another female figure on the ground with upward hands, perhaps directing the game. Chand Bibi is sitting on white horse. All players are facing each other and trying to control the white ball with their polo sticks. All the figures are centrally located. Head of all the figures are covered with decorated headgears. Costumes of the horse riders are richly decorated in bright colors in the Mughal style. They are wearing multicolored ghagra and choli, means lehenga choli. All the faces are in profile. Hoofs of horses are uplifted and horses are shown in full dynamic movement. All horses are properly decorated. The polo ground is uneven, painted in green color. In the background, typical Deccani hills can be seen in the dark green color. There are also some trees, huts and rocks. The sky has been painted in deep blue with sun. There is a fort near the horizon with trees. In the foreground, a silver grey lotus pond with 6 birds has been painted. Calligraphy work in Persian style can be seen on the top and the bottom of the painting. Overall, it is well balanced and beautiful painting. So, with this painting, syllabus of Unit 2 is covered. Students, if you have seen the painting carefully and listened to the video, then you will understand these paintings easily. Because these paintings are not so difficult, you just have to understand that what the artist has to shown in the painting. So, understand the painting rather than cramming. Okay? Thank you.